Today we're going to show you how to make pulled pork bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers out of your leftover pulled pork. Man, that's good stuff. Cheers. What do you do with leftover pulled pork? Well, we're going to try something today. Okay, so we're going to take some of that leftover pulled pork, I chopped it up, put it in a bowl. We're going to add softened cream cheese, some shredded cheese, and some more of the Sweet Preacher pork rub. We'll mix that all up. Going to stuff these jalapenos, wrap them in bacon, and put them on the grill. Can't wait to try this. Okay, we're going to take these peppers and cut the top off. And we're going to cut them. What I'm looking to see is what's going to give me the deeper trough, if I cut it this way or this way. And I think this way is going to make it a little bit deeper. Cut them in half lengthwise. And then cut the seeds out of them. And get all of them out of there as best you can. So you get a nice clean boat, just like those. Then we'll make the mixture and stuff it. Okay, we got our chopped up pulled pork. Put this cream cheese in here. It's been sitting out for about 20 minutes to get it a little soft. Paid for it, might as well use all of it. Add our cheese. Add some rub. Quite a bit of it. Give it some flavor. And then we're going to mix it all up till it's one big pasty mess. Make sure we got a good consistency, kind of sticky and tacky. Grab our jalapenos. We're going to stuff them full of this mixture. So take your bacon, lay it out, and I'm going to wrap it completely over it. Over the front. Stick it through the pepper, bacon. And I'm going to wrap this around, try and cover all of it. So we got a little blanket covering all that wonderful stuffing. And let me tell you something, that stuffing was good by itself. That'd be good on a cracker. So I'm going to get all these done and we're going to put them on the hot grill. So we got them all wrapped up, we got toothpicks in. We're going to sprinkle a little bit more seasoning just on top of that bacon. And let's go put them on the grill. Okay, we're going to put them on the grill. The grill's pretty hot. And that bacon sizzling already. Smells good. You'll see it whenever it's done. Okay, they're done. We'll take the toothpicks out of them. Let's give it a shot. Disgusting. No, they're delicious. Don't throw away them leftovers. Holy smokes, that's good. Be sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know if you try it and like it. Man, that's good. Let's eat.